Hello and welcome back to GT Races. Today we have a beautiful day in Sweden. It's 15 degrees and everyone is happy except for me. I'm actually really angry. And what am I angry at? I'm angry at all the people who I share the roads with are trying to kill my car. The last 4 weeks I have had now 3 car accidents. Not car accidents when you're out on the road and you smash cars together, but there have been 3 car incidents, maybe it's a better word, where I have parked my car and other people are slamming doors in it, driving into the car and not leaving any notes and nothing. And for the last 4 weeks, like 3 things have happened, and they're making me so angry because they will take money, time and energy from me before I need to fix them. The money, I would rather have the money to do work on my Fiat instead, or on the Alfa, to improve the car, to make it cooler, or better performance or anything. But now I have to take the money and time to do repairs. Of course, everything is, I talk with the insurance and they will probably help me in as soon as possible 2 years. I hate bunny ears, by the way. I never do that, but I just did it now. Well, let us take a look at what has happened the last 4 weeks. I will show them in the order of how serious it is. So we start with the least serious and then we go down to the most serious thing. And I will explain what has happened and what I will do with it, perhaps. And I don't know. Let's go with number one. Number one is of course the classic one, where people who have no coordination just slams doors open into the car next to them. Preferably kids and old people. I understand kids are very energetic and want to get out of the car, and old people have problems getting out of the car, but please don't beat up my Alfa. And on this is on the passenger side. And here I have 2 small dots here. I have 1 mark here. I have 1 dent, and then this was 3 weeks ago. No, 4 weeks ago. A red car, you can even see the red color still. A red car has smashed open the door. So I have a dent here, like 3 dents it is. And it's scraped up the color. I don't know, I think the color is from the other car, or it's the priming color underneath here that is showing. This I will fix myself. I need to fix all the paint job and the top coat on this car. It's getting old, but that will be a bit in the future. So I will not do so much with this right now. But let's go now to number 2. Number 2. This is around 3 weeks ago. Someone, I know where they were, it was in Karlstad in a parking house. And of course, someone who tried to get out or get in between 2 cars have managed to scrape my whole sill. And not only scrape, it's completely dented in here. And when I saw this, when you start to feel a little bit depressed, because it's really deep. I will show you now how big the dent is. If you look and see here, you can see how it's dented in everything. And this is not so much a problem, but the bigger problem is the upper side has also been, what to call it, it's much higher now. It's like a bubble here. And that bubble that on top of here now makes it difficult for me to open and close the door. So when I open the door, now it was easy just because of that. But many times now it's starting to catch up here. The rubber is very tight. So that makes me, the sill is in bad condition already of the kids that's scraping it. But I don't want to do this. I will try to fix this myself. I will try to get this dent out, get this bubble in, and do some sort of paint job, because it really needs a paint job, the sill. So the stupid thing is now, up here I already have a bubble out. So that is because of the crushed sill. I don't know if you can see it. It's not so easy to see, but it's, you know, someone has put jacks underneath the sill, so this is bulging out. So now it's bulging out here, bulging in here, and bulging out here. Yeah, it will be probably, I will make a video about this. It could be interesting. This is a challenge. I like challenges. So probably we'll make something cool of this. But it's annoying to find that when you're parking in garage with your wife and you go out having a good time and you come back after movie and dinner and the car looks like this. Then you get depressed. Okay, let's go now to the worst damage, and the damage that happened on Friday, 3 days ago. Number 3. Here we have number 3 and the most depressive damaged. On Friday I was in the town where I live. It was a lot of people. I know it was tight with people and cars and everything, but I have a small Alfa. And I went into a store with my wife and we came out. I didn't see this immediately. I see this on Saturday. Then I noticed that someone has backed into my car. And this is with the, what do you call it? The hitching ball of another car. Has backed straight in here and just broken the whole front. And it's like, please, if you do this, you must have noticed that you're going straight into another car. I'll show you the damage. Here you see the impact. As you can see, it's completely cracked, and it's cracked all the way up to here. But it's keeping in one piece, and it's cracked all the way down here, so it's, this part is open now. My register plate is of course completely damaged, but these I probably can save. Probably can save this. Yes, we have some damage too. Then we have the lower grill, you know, the both grills, and this has broken loose completely. So my side indicator is loose. The whole grill, I think the grill is only connected out here now. Everything else is loose. I don't know if there's any more damage, but because of the whole nose here, I mean, it's plastic, so it's not like that. The rest of the car should not be damaged, of course, because the impact is not that deep. But since the grill is loose and this damage, that make my choices. Do I try to repair this, or do I get a completely new nose? I have already checked what the whole front bumper was the cost, and if I order down from Germany myself and not through a mechanic, because if I order through a mechanic it will cost me $1 million or 1 million euros or 1 million, I don't know, ruble. It will cost me a lot. But if I order this directly myself, down from Italy or Germany, it will probably cost me around 250 euros for the replacement, and then throw in another 100 euros for transportation. So I don't know. I need to make a choice here very fast of what I'm doing. But I don't really feel I don't have the money for this right now. I have the money, but I don't want to have the money, because I want to spend the money on that car over there instead. Well, yes, here they are, my 3 damages this month. This was all for this little video. It's not much for a video, it's much just me being irritated. That is the right word. I'm irritated and frustrated. And damn, be careful out in the traffic, especially in a city and in parking garage or close to people who can't drive shit. Well, the fun part is I have extra videos I have to do with repairs, and that is fun, but it's not fun when I have not planned it. It's only fun when I plan the video, not because of the accidents. Maybe I'll try to enjoy this rest of this day. Goodbye, and thank you for watching this video, and watch my other videos and make comments about anything stupid that I make. Goodbye.